Hey guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel BlairTech256. In this video tutorial I'm going to guide you on how to get free airtime on MTN and Airtel in Uganda. So simply subscribe and make sure you click on that bell and you turn on the notifications in order to be updated on my new videos about free internet tricks and more helpful videos. So let us get started on how to get free airtime. So go ahead and open up your Play Store right here, and then you search for this application called Kphone app. It's called Kphone. Okay, search for that app, download and install it. The link for this app will be under the description of this video. So go ahead and you open it up, the Kphone app. You get free airtime. So here you select your preferred language. So I will select English. Here you just go ahead and click next. Right, let's start. Click allow. So right here just go ahead and type in your mobile number. So let me go ahead and type in my number. Click continue. So now the OTP code will be sent to my number.
You have a message, please check it.
Let me go ahead and type it in. Continue. So now from here you just have to complete your profile in order to get the profile for this app. Okay, let me type in BlairTech. Okay, country Uganda, photo Kiso, date of birth, after all that you click on continue. Click allow and click OK, then back. So under the reference just put my number in order to get the airtime, and you can as well refer to other people using your number to refer to them. When they register, they use your number as the referral and they could earn airtime, and you can as well earn airtime. So within this video, if you are to register and then you use my number as the referral, and you could earn airtime. Okay, so you can as well watch video ads to earn more airtime. You can answer some surveys, you get, and you could win some cash. You can see that you can take a survey and you could earn 200. The more you answer, the more you earn. The more you refer, the more you earn. So let me take a survey and I answer it. Okay, let me answer this. Start survey. So here they say, how far did you go to school? You can answer any question. Okay, completed. How do you earn an income? Okay, you submit that and you could earn yourself airtime. Get, as you can see, I have earned 200. Click done, get back. can see that I have earned 200. You see, so you can redeem from here. If you want to top up your airtime, to redeem your airtime, you click here and then you redeem your airtime. They start from 500 minimum to 50,000. So that's how you could get free airtime for free on MTN and Airtel in Uganda. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful videos, and make sure you use my number as the referral. Where you see the enter referral number, you put my number and then you get yourself 1000 airtime, and you could answer some surveys and you could earn more airtime. Thank you for watching. I sign out.